Every night feels like another weekend. Set me on fire, but don't forget to breathe in. Too many highs, what happened to the ceiling now? Too many lights, I don't know what I'm seeing. Where is my mind? Don't know what to believe in. Too many highs, what happened to the ceiling now?
Can be like hibiscus tea, forbidden fruit, so I sit down and eat. Give me the loot, feeling Big E. When too many hits and I can't feel my feet. I'm in the booth, floating off beat. I am the truth, your novelty. Like fortune tellers don't need umbrellas. I know this bangs, I don't embellish. Like broke motherfuckers don't need Margellas. I don't need shit, I know y'all jealous. Take it too far, fuck her, I lose it, watch it fall apart. Dip me in dopamine, girl, let me sink to the floor. Can't even watch, money can change who you are. Money can make a man talk, can't even stop. Can't even reason I'm letting these demons too far. I can't even stop.
Every night feels like another weekend. Set me on fire, but don't forget to breathe in. Too many highs, what happened to the ceiling now? Too many lights, I don't know what I'm seeing. Where is my mind? Don't know what to believe in. Too many highs, what happened to the ceiling now?
Head in a rope, hoping I'll choke. Watch how I laugh and they found that I float. Blood on my cloak, ice in my veins, eyes open wide like I finally awoke. People, I want you to leave me alone, cause I ain't got no time and I'm trying to smoke. Up, man, out of my way, cause you blocking my sun, yeah, tossing my shade. Hasta luego, hot box city in the wooden with a bago. 2 red horns and a halo, payloads of payo. Get out my kitchen, this shit is in fuego. I'm about to lose it like Bobby Bouchedo. Leaving them speeches with nothing to say though. Body's been chopped off, this shit is my KO. I'm about to walk off without posting bail, I'm out.
Every night